Hey, in this video, we will discuss how we can install Visual Studio Code on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure Linux development environment is enabled on your Chromebook. To enable it, open Settings application, click on About Chrome OS and enable the Linux development environment. I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Linux development environment, you can install any Linux files. Now to install Visual Studio Code, simply open any browser, search for Visual Studio Code and open the official website. Don't worry about the download link, I'll provide the download link in the description box. From here, simply download the .dev Linux file. Here you can see it is downloading, so let me complete the download process. Once downloaded, simply close the browser, open Files app, open the Downloads folder and copy this file to Linux Files folder. Once done, select it, right click on it, then click on Rename and copy the file name. After that, open Terminal application. Click on Penguin option to get access to the terminal interface and here simply run this command sudo apt update, then hit enter key and wait for the update process to complete. After that, run sudo apt upgrade, then hit enter key and if you get do you want to continue prompt, type Y, then hit enter key. Once done, run this command sudo apt install space dot followed by the package name we have just copied. Then hit enter key and if you get do you want to continue prompt, hit type Y, hit enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, close the terminal, click on launcher icon, open Linux apps folder. Here you will find Visual Studio Code. So that's it. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.